Walking with Ellie on a sunny day, collecting samples along the way. Moss in jars and water so pure, in awe of life, it's so secure. Tiny creatures, so small and bright. Tardigrades, a miraculous sight. Nematodes, Ciliates, and Rotifers too. They're not very bright, but they sure do go through. The wonder of nature, it's all around, from the big white space to the tiniest cloud. Beats watching TV, it's an amazing show. Nature's the real deal, don't you know? Microscopic mysteries hidden from our eyes. A world unseen by mortal sight, a secret little prize. Through the lens we peer into a universe profound, a symphony of life in each light we have found. In drops of water, a microcosm so divine. Creatures wriggle and swim, in perfect harmony they align. Vibrant algae dance with elegance and grace, a ballet of microorganisms in this microscopic space. Tiny earth unfold before our very eyes, magnifying the beauty that nature always hides. In this realm so small we find wonders untold, microscopic landscapes more precious than gold. Walking with Ellie on a sunny day, collecting samples along the way. Moss in jars and water so pure, in awe of life, it's so secure.